This video wouldn't be possible without the support of these amazing brands. Huge thanks to them. Make sure to check out their socials to learn more about their awesome products. What's up, fellow builders? Today, join me as we unbox, build, and review one of the newest additions to the Roundtable Knights lineup, the SNAA Furious Warhammer Galahad. With this massive Warhammer, heavily armored knight-inspired design, and impressive amount of detail, this kit has been generating a lot of hype. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's find out. Let's go! Want to level up your paint game? Check out Gaahleri.com. From airbrushes to compressors and parts, they've got everything you need. Plus their Collider Color Works paints, smooth, lacquer-like finish, but eco-friendly and safe. The good news is, Gaahleri is now available here in the Philippines. Just hit them up on their Facebook and start upgrading your builds. And if you're outside the Philippines, you can order directly from their website and get 10% off using my code. Link and code are in the description box below. See ya! Verdict time!
After building this kit from start to finish, I can confidently say that it was really enjoyable experience. The plastic quality feels premium. Every part fits nicely, and the overall engineering is impressive. The color separation is excellent, and those gold parts really steal the show. They pop beautifully and give the kit a premium look straight out of the box. The details and panel lines are also incredibly sharp. So even without extra work, it already looks fantastic on display. I also appreciate that some of the parts are undergated. It's a small detail, but it makes cleanup much easier and helps keep the visible surfaces looking clean. The joints are nice and solid too, so you can pose it confidently without worrying about it becoming loose. The building experience hits the sweet spot. It's fun, engaging, and never feels overwhelming. Plus, with the water slide decals included, it's a huge bonus if you want to take the final look to the next level. So would I recommend this kit? Absolutely. If you're a fan of detailed mecha kits with premium materials, great articulation, and an enjoyable build, this is definitely one worth adding to your collection. With that said, this kit will get a score of
Subscribe for more review videos like this. And also, comment down the high grades that you want me to review next. Once again, my name is GundamDek, and thank you for watching.